The observation step of the design process basically involves just looking at the world around you and trying to investigate potential problems that you might want to solve. It helps to go to different areas. You can start in places like your own kitchen or living room and think about the problems that you typically encounter. But it could also be useful to go out to places like restaurants or parks and think about the different problems that people are encountering in those spaces. It's a good idea to look for compensations or ways that people are currently solving problems that they encounter that might not be appropriate solutions or solutions that you can improve upon. When you're doing these observation exercises, it's important to document your process. You can do this by taking notes, but it's also especially helpful to take pictures and video clips, and that way it's really easy to reflect on the process. Once you find a potential opportunity or a problem that you want to solve, a next good step is to determine a set of needs, or a list of statements that need to be solved in order to have a proper solution. Once you have a set of needs, it's a good idea to start thinking about the different ways that you can solve those problems. At a lot of different stages in the design process, it's a good idea to talk to users, or people who encounter the problem that you're trying to solve in their everyday lives. Once you have a solution, or a potential solution, it might be a good idea to come up with what are called specifications. Basically, goals that you want to meet in order to have a good solution to the problem. We're not going to have a detailed discussion of specifications here. An example of an observation is this picture of a crowded office hallway. If you look closely, you'll notice that there are 3 bikes being stored in this hallway. The potential opportunity here is for improving bike storage in office spaces. It's important to look for existing solutions, but keep in mind that, for some reason, these solutions were inappropriate for the bike owners in this case. Just to recap, the observation process is just an exercise where you pay close attention to the world around you and try to find solutions that you want to solve that will improve people's lives.